This is video number 7 of 7 videos in this series. Please be sure to watch the others. This is the insert that goes in the fireplace. I'm not sure if this was a custom job or a DIY by the original home builder. Initially I was just going to clean it up and put some high temp paint on it where there's some spots that need to be touched up, and then there were some rust areas that needed to be treated. Those have been treated, but in the process of doing that I realized that in this bottom left hand corner there are some welds that, because when I was moving this it was chattering, so I thought it was pretty solid, but metal on metal chatter is a little concerning, and that's when I realized that these welds here are all broken, and they're like little tiny cracks, so you almost don't even see them. So the giveaway was that the metal was chattering. It doesn't sound solid, and some of the small spot welds look like they were done on the outside, but the majority of the big welds were done on the underside. So what I'm hoping is that I can do it from the underside. I'll flip this over and weld it from the back side. So that is the next step, welding, and then I'm going to wire brush some of the rust spots and then put the high temp paint on it. And that'll be it with this part of the fireplace DIY project.